Welcome! We are excited to introduce to you our new online training academy. Listening to our customer feedback, this latest training concept offers convenient online training so that you and your team can develop your inspection skills at your own pace, when and where it suits you. Let me now show you a taster module that's been taken from one of our brand new virtual training SME courses.
Welcome to the M&S Subject Matter Expert Training course by LOMA Systems on food safety. This course is designed to ensure that Marks and Spencer products are produced in a safe environment, eliminating foreign body risks. M&S requires a factory to identify personnel who are to become subject matter experts, also known as SMEs. And they should have the specific learning and developments required. Training is essential for specific job roles, especially those managing critical control points, which includes foreign body control and check weighing. And number 3, it increases productivity and efficiency, ensuring less rejected products. Our course covers 4 tiers that includes general understanding of contaminants and detection, with the machine specifications for Tier A, and Tier B is about the routine and fail-safe testing and sensitivity requirements. Tier C looks at metal detector principles, product effect and subject matter expertise and requirements. And finally, Tier D explains how to trace faults and good engineering practices. Each tier is designed to build comprehensive knowledge in food safety. So let's go and begin Tier A in the next module. Welcome to the M&S Subject Matter Expert Training course by LOMA Systems on food safety. This is the Tier A module. When a food product poses safety risks, it must be recalled to protect consumers. Food safety is crucial, but recalls can harm a brand's reputation, lead to huge costs, and draw negative media attention. The wheel is being turned to block the bin full sensor, which goes into fault after 5 seconds with an audible and visual alarm. And again, as with all fail-safes, the fault should only be allowed to be reset with an authorized password. If there is no bin full test facility, then one should be fitted, but what is not allowed is the opening of the bin to block the beam. The test packs are put through the detector to mirror the normal production spacing using the 3 test sticks, positioned on the leading and trailing edge, with one located in the middle of the pack. A successful test is all the packs are detected and rejected without any stoppages or faults. The electromagnetic field effect is received by 2 receiver coils, positioned either side of the transmitter coil, and this is known as a balanced coil system. LOMA has made huge improvements to the original coil geometry to give better sensitivity, and now we have redesigned it so there is a receiver coil above and another one below the transmitter coil. The update option, that's also in the Product Learn screen box, is only available if you have previously carried out a full learn process for the product. The update feature is handy when there have been changes to the product since the last full learn, such as alterations in ingredient proportions or variations in temperature. One scenario could be a product that has undertaken a full learn just after being removed from the chiller or freezer and then has been left out in room temperature while the staff go on a break. This could change the product's characteristics and may cause the product signals to rise and eventually go over the threshold, causing false rejects. One solution is to perform an update learn, which is designed to be carried out during a production run, and this will update the disturbance of the magnetic field that fine-tunes the phase angle to minimize the signal while still checking for metal in the product. Once the update is complete, it is very important to pass the test pack metal samples to verify that the metal test pieces are still being detected and rejected. Here is the line operative called Helen, and she has a problem. She tells the engineer that the metal detector keeps stopping with a fault when rejecting products, and she doesn't know why. Luckily for Helen, Jack the engineer is very well trained and looks into the fault logs to see what faults are listed.
All our courses contain module knowledge checks, which is available for you to complete for all the various modules, which is the perfect way to check your learning progress. Completing the training course will proudly unlock your official training certificate. The certificate is fully audit compliant and recognised industry-wide. Every course is crafted and designed by LOMA's industry experts, ensuring you receive top-notch training that's not only engaging, but perfect for staying ahead in today's competitive market. Why not use this unique opportunity to build your knowledge? Every minute spent learning your machine is an investment in your business's future. Think of training as laying down the foundation for ongoing success and stability. We hope you enjoyed our taster video, and we invite you to visit our online store to view all our available courses and free sample modules. Simply click the link in your email, or alternatively, go to the address shown below to start your journey in mastering the latest machine training.